Hi everyone, I'm going to make a blue pair of heart earrings today. Let's get started. We're going to take a smaller crystal. I think that is a 6mm. It might be 5. No, I think, wait, let's see. Yeah, that's about a 6. So this would be an 8mm. So that would put the heart probably 10. And those are about 8. So, and then I'm putting it on a head pin. I've been working with beads and I've got, I don't know if, because I've been working with beads today, so cleaning out my drawers and stuff so I can find stuff easier. That one don't want to go in. And I'm not going to force it because I don't know. That one didn't want to go in. That one don't either. There. Might take a small one. You don't have to use these spacers if you don't want to. I just thought that they'd look good. Add a little metal in it. Sort of dresses it up a little bit. Or in my opinion it does. So that's what they'll look like. I should have showed you an example of what it'd look like without them, so you can see for yourself whether you like it with spacers or not. So that's what we'll do. So you can have it like that or like that. I think the spacers add something to it. So let's put them back in. Let me know what you think. I think I like the spacers in it. Alright. Now this is a harder metal, so what I'm going to do, this is a harder metal, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them and we're just going to roll them down. And I'm going to cut them about 3/4 of an inch. The last one I did, I think I needed just a hair more. It might be a little over 5/8. And we'll try to get there to the tip. Once you get it started, it usually won't fall off on you, but when you first start it, it likes to let the wire slip off. And be careful whenever you get down to the bead, because it will break. I have broken many of them here lately. I don't know if I'm too heavy-handed or what. Cut the other one off. Yeah, that wire is different than the first one I had. I don't want it shooting across the room, because if it gets down in the carpet, the vacuum might not get it out. There. Alright, now try to get to the tip. Yeah, this one's harder than the other wire. And I think what has happened is that I've bought different wires over the years, and as I'm running down on them, or I have just a couple left over, I put them in another bag, and then I've got some that are hard as a rock. But we're just doing a roll down on this. Be easier for somebody starting out to do. You just try to get tight, but not tight enough to break the bead. And then we'll take our ear wires. I hope I didn't grab the one I had yesterday. I had one that opened on the front and one that opened on the back. So I'm going to put it in like this. And I'll show you. Just twist it back. Make sure it's together that your earring won't come off. It's going to go that way. Alright. If it wasn't that hard wire, I would have went around it, but the first one wasn't as hard, so I'd rather do, oops, just twisted it back. Twist it open, twist it back. And make sure you've got it closed. And you know I had to do a blue one. And that does wrap it a little looser whenever you do it like that. Because I'm just noticing that when I let it down, it's not as tight as I'd like. Okay, there you go. They're a different color of hearts. I hope you enjoyed that. And Happy New Year. Today is New Year's. For me anyway. I'm filming on New Year's, so hope y'all had a good day. And a happy early Valentine's Day. And until next time, like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And until next time, y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.